Alright guys, Derek from House of Heathens here. Today I'm going to show you the number one app that is amazing that nobody uses. I've asked all my friends and some people have heard of it. They know it from being on their phone or maybe they downloaded it, but nobody uses it. And I don't know why, because it is incredible. It can search for items just by taking a picture or using a picture that you have or that you downloaded. It can look up prices. It can translate things for you. Um, it, and I'm not lying about this. It can literally cheat and do your homework for you. I actually showed my son how to do it. Oh, funny. Um, he uses it too, although not as often as I would if I were in his case. But my daughter is completely against it. She thought I was doing a bad thing by showing him. But it doesn't fully cheat for you. It kind of helps you along. You'll see once I get there. So, name of the app, Google Lens. It's actually on the screen right now, and I'm sure you guys have seen it or heard of it, possibly. But I'm going to show you how to use it to your advantage. All right, so let's go into it real quick. I got a shoe set up there. So, in order to take a picture, you're going to use the little lens there. See the little blue dot that's in the middle of the screen, in the middle of the shoe? Um, that means that it has results or good results. Okay, so you want to optimally, work your way around, get a view of the item or object or whatever you're trying to take a picture of, and get it so that there's a blue dot right on what you want to look up. Like, let's say there was 4 or 5 pairs of shoes in the picture. You want to have the pair that you're going to look up with the blue dot on them. Okay, so it is, and bam. All right, look at that. Within a second, it tells me the name of the shoe, where to get it, how much. Let's say I was in a store and they had it for, $49.99. Well, guess what? This one says 75, but the one right beside it, Poshmark, I can get it for 25 bucks. So that's just one use. All right, and hang on for 1 sec. All right, use two. Sorry, it took me a second to get here with the screen recorder. You got to kind of fiddle with it whenever you're using the outside camera, also like the back camera. All right, so we're gonna go translation now. This is for some set of headphones that I got. It's an instruction manual. It's in Japanese. So what I'm gonna do here is just take a screenshot of this and get out of there. Now, if you want to use a picture that you already have, like the screenshot I just took, um, you're going to use, hang on, this guy right here. Okay. Get out of that. Again, that's my screen recorder. All right. So when you click that, you select the picture that you want, and you just go translate. Look for results. You can just copy all. It's actually already translated it in there, as you can see. Boom, it put it already in there. But if you wanted more than what's on the screen, um, open and translate. You can go to all kinds of different languages. English. And there it is right there. Bam. Actually, the notification you just saw is going to be my next video for showing you guys Brave. That's amazing. That browser. I made $200 from that browser already. All right. Next, for Google Lens, we'll go homework. when it's highlighted like that, I just wrote this on my whiteboard. When it's highlighted, that's what you want to click. Looking for results. See, it has it up there. And use whatever you want. I'll go with that. And that's a correct answer. Look at that. Could even do harder problems. I was just making it easy by doing a quickie. All right, so homework's done. Where I use this app for my benefit is if I'm like thrift shopping or shopping in general, but mainly thrift shopping. Like let's say you're at a Goodwill or something like that, and you don't know what something's valued at, and it's hard because things are old. The easiest thing to do is literally just hold it up to the camera, click it, and that Google Lens within 2 seconds will tell you a generalized price. It usually comes up with Amazon right away. It'll come with eBay. If it's on just general online, yeah, it'll come up with all that. So it'll give you a price and it'll let you know whether or not you should or should not buy whatever's in your hand. Another big thing, baseball cards. When you're opening a pack of baseball cards, it is tedious to look up the price of every single card that you want, especially when you're opening a few packs. So what I do, and I can actually show you this real quick. All right, pick a card. Bobby Bonilla. Killer Bees from the 90s. Pittsburgh Pirates. Huge fan back then. And there you go. Bang. Ain't it great? Usually it takes a couple seconds. Sometimes you have to look through a few things to make sure that you're getting the right card in there. Make sure the pictures match and everything like that. Other than that, it's super easy and super cool. Alright, sorry, I know that was a little bit rougher than my other ones because I had to keep going in and out of the camera thing. But hopefully I showed you Google Lens and why it's probably one of the most amazing but unused apps in the entire market. Google, I love you for that app. It has helped me so much, and it's free, 100% free. Done deal. Why not?